If you're looking to remodel anything in your home, take 30 seconds to watch this video to ensure that you avoid this most common mistakes. My name is Daniel, I'm a general contractor, and I want to be able to save you thousands of dollars if you follow this simple framework. So these are the most common traps that we see homeowners make when looking to remodel their home. So let's get started. Number one, cheap is not always better. A lot of the time, unlicensed individuals will come to bid on work, promise you the moon and sun, giving you the assurances that things will be done. However, you do not have something to hold them accountable for. If they are not licensed individuals, they can simply bounce with your money and you don't have the ability to hold them accountable. So again, cheap is not always better. Look for somebody who is licensed, who has good reputation, and that you can hold them accountable in the event that something happens. Number two, no clear budget. Construction has constantly unforeseen elements. You want to be ready for those unforeseen elements because things always tend to happen. So having a clear budget and understanding what happens for this, what happens if surprises occur, how much money do I need to have? Because you don't want to start with a $30,000 remodel and end up paying $50,000 because the budget was not clear and things were not accountable. Also, make sure to have a clear understanding who is responsible for what. What are you responsible as the client and what the contractor is responsible for as the contractor. Last thing, most homeowners don't tend to redo their remodel multiple times. You have one shot to do things right, which is why clear design is something that is so crucial in order to ensure that you have the vision. Not all of us have a vision of the ability of what we are going to have. And that's why they need a visual aid to be able to visualize what will be there at the final result. So having a clear design and agreement on that design is something that will save you thousands of dollars and many mistakes along the way. So if you are looking to remodel something, make sure to avoid these traps. And of course, if you need our help, we will be more than happy to provide you with a complimentary meeting with one of our team members in order to take you on your remodeling journey and ensure that you do it once and you do it right.